And the indomie I think is 200 naira. So and if it's 250, buy yam.
What be this? Jesus.
I've walk. I'm tired like this. Would she say only with different daughter? I don't single threat. She no get. All say, you see this God, he just love me too much. Thank God that you are back. So you going to buy indomie from that other side. And you go and fetch water.
Afusa, you see that we're just come back from school now.
Jesus! You know say I dey blind. That's why I don't see too often. I say when I know they come back from school.
This is plain.
I don't be send you message. So when to buy indomie, and the indomie I think is 200 naira. So and if it's 250, buy yam. Oya take. In fact, come and drop your bag. Call to salo. Hoodlums left you. Go drop your bag and go and buy me the indomie. One bag dirty. What are you still waiting for? Why are you to drop your bag and go and fetch the water? Because you guys are going to school, we will not stop again. Then you can go to school like me self. I don't go to school.
Hey little girl, how are you?
How much be this indomie?
250.
250?
Yes.
Don't worry.
Come now. It's only you that know.
What be this? Jesus.
And the indomie I think is 200 naira. So and if it's 250, buy yam.
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
What's he carrying? What's he going to buy yam?
No be you say if indomie na 250, make I buy yam.
I say buy ham, not buy yam. Who wants shop ham?
I better come out.
Gbami lọ́wọ́ ọmọ. Bódà ti rí win. Say me wey no dey shop yam now. So who go shop this yam now? Who go shop am?
Sorry.